here with Dr. Ravi Tandon, and if you could tell us a little bit about what kind of doctor you are and what you specialize in.
Hi, I'm a plastic and reconstructive surgeon specializing in all facets of breast reconstruction.
And was there a particular life experience that led you to wanting to become a doctor, or why did you pick this specific field of plastic surgery?
That's a great question. So, being from Indian parents, I was always encouraged to be a doctor. When I was in high school, I broke my leg playing soccer, and I was fixed up by an orthopedic surgeon. And I really took to him, and on my summers off, I spent my time in the operating room.
Oh, wow.
And I learned to really love surgery at an early age. Then during medical school at Vanderbilt is really where I found my love for plastic surgery after being exposed to it during my rotations.
Well, we're grateful for that broken leg, right? The city of New Orleans is grateful for that broken leg because that led you here. And you have been a Unite sponsor for about 4 years now. And why do you think a program like Unite is so important to the women in our community and their caregivers?
My patients love Unite. I've learned over the years and through my own family how important emotional support is when you're going through cancer. Surgery is only one aspect of the healing, and Unite really helps complete that circle. And I've seen my patients before Unite and after, and truly with the support groups, it's been an amazing transformation, and it's truly an honor to be part of it.
And you told us a little bit about a personal experience you had within your own family after you started becoming a doctor. What happened?
Yeah, so my first year of practice, my mom got breast cancer, and so I've been able to see both sides of it, both from being a physician and being on the patient side, and it definitely shaped how my practice developed and sort of what I focused on after seeing everything she went through. She's also a psychiatrist, and I got a lot of insight on the emotional aspects of healing in addition to surgery.
Well, those personal life experiences really do help shape what kind of doctor you are, and obviously you have to have a lot of compassion and empathy to be a doctor. And when you see your patients that have gone through Unite, you go to a lot of the events. What's it like to see them up on stage? You see them at their worst, like when you're transforming their body. What's it like to see them transforming on stage?
It's like a celebration. It's exciting. It's exhilarating. You can't help but sort of scream and root for them, and it's so much fun to see them and their families and everybody really enjoying themselves.
Do you recommend most of your patients try this, or are there specific people that just really need a program like Unite?
It's hard to choose, so I recommend it to everybody, and obviously those who need it sign up.
Right.
But we encourage everybody to be part of it.
Absolutely. Well, that's great. And tell us a little bit about your personal life. I know you're not originally from the United States, so tell us a little bit about that.
So I was born in Malta, but I mainly grew up in Calgary, Canada, and we moved to Tulsa, Oklahoma for my dad's job, and the rest is sort of history. I went to medical school in Nashville, Vanderbilt, and then I came to New Orleans to do general surgery, where I eventually met my future wife. I took her to New York City for my plastic surgery training, and as soon as I was finished, she said, "We're going home." I said, "Oklahoma?" She said, "Absolutely not."
So here you are. So do you prefer the heat of New Orleans or the coldness of Calgary, or somewhere in between? I guess Oklahoma's a little bit in between, right?
They're both great, but this is home.
Yeah. Well, I tell people, this is what I tell people, New Orleans is like mold. It grows on you, and it's hard to get rid of. I mean, there are definitely some places with a little bit better weather and stuff, but it really is home, and it's...
I was warned if I married a Louisiana girl, we'd be coming here, so...
I married a Louisiana boy. I feel that. Well, we are so grateful for your expertise and for all of your support of Unite over the years. Even the birds happy, you heard that? So So thank you so much, and we look forward. Are you all going to be at October 1st, Ribbons Rock the Runway? We're going to set a world record. We're aiming for that.
It's going to be amazing, and it's an honor to be a part of the program. Thank you.
We thank you so much.
Thank you.